what I have done, and also an important lesson for me in the future if someone is working with this case here, or other kind of cases related with removing capacitors, etc. So let me show you here. And just zoom a little bit and focus a little bit as well. So as you can see, I think you can see here a jump wire connected to one of these caps. So what happened was uh, the backlight filter is located here. As you can see here, two small holes, which is missing the pad. Sorry. What happened was I forgot to add some flux to allow to remove the backlight filter much easier when I was using the hot air station. So I was noticed that the backlight filter was trying um, to get loose, so I have removed it normally. But then I've noticed that both caps were missing, as you can see here. Both two caps were missing. So I was a little bit pissed off, and then there was two ways to resolve this. The first one, I can try to dig under those missing pads, see if we can try to find any traces, then try to create a new pad or using jump wire, or the second option, which was what I have done, was to create a long jump wire from here and just show you. I have connected the wire right here to the LCD FPC. So there are two caps here, one and number two here on the top. I connected on the last one here. I'm just using the tweezers right. I connected on this last one here. So these two belongs to the backlight circuit, and well, and basically I just put the wire here, one of these caps. So the backlight filter connects from here. So it comes from the LCD FPC, goes to the backlight filter, and the backlight filter connects to all these caps here, including to the diode, then to the coil. So I decided to connect the other side of the jump wire here on this cap here. So you can see if you're using the ZXW phone board, it shows that the backlight filter comes from here and then connects to this side of the cap. Well, this has already been done. I have finished this yesterday, so I'm just going to close it up. Let me show you that to confirm that the iPad is working now. So as you can see, we have now the LCD working. So the issue with the backlight, oh, forgot to change the phone. Sorry. So let me just move it on. Okay, as you can see, it's turning on now. You can see the Apple logo. So this has been done. I have done yesterday, so today is Monday. I'm just going to close it up and send a message to the customer saying that this has been done, and of course he's gonna be very happy to see that it is working now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and remember, this was an important lesson. Always use flux when you need to remove any caps from the motherboard, especially from the customers. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day.